Okay guys, so live po tayo ngayon. Hair product po, pampakapal. Tama ba babe? Pampakapal?
Yeah.
Ng mukha, Hey, charge guys, so yan.
Guys,
So,
did you know I saw my father's butt 3 times when
Mandy,
he...
that's not my butt. That's Mandy. It's not
I'm
about
saying a prayer to Papa.
Mandy, it's not about Mama is doing a ritual for my hair. So guys,
He's here.
oh my god, really?
There's a cat. Sushi.
Hey, really?
Open the door.
Hey, there's a cat guys.
Open the door.
Open the door, Mandy.
Si Sushi.
Mandy, open the door. So guys, pampakapal ng buhok. Kung gusto niyo pong umorder, tingnan niyo po muna itong ginagawa sa akin ni Mrs. Ayan. Konting brush lang.
Guys, did you
dahil
know I
tinatamad
saw my
tayo.
papa's butt 3 times when he was gonna
Hey,
take
hey.
his
Mandy, it's
stripes?
not about that.
And then he
Oh,
removed
Mandy,
it.
don't move.
Okay, yan po. So kita nyo, medyo manipis po ang buhok natin at medyo napaparot po tayo. Ayan na
You're so
po.
malikot. Mama's trying to do it.
So ayan po, i-click nyo lang yan sa yellow basket. Just kidding. Wala po tayong TikTok guys, YouTube lang po ito. Ayan po, nakikita nyo, live na live po yan. Tingnan natin kung magiging kasing kapal po yan ng bulbul natin. Mandy doesn't know the bulbul. Hey Mandy, that's the forest. You know what you're seeing in Mama?
Oh yeah. Tutay.
The black forest. Hey, is there a cat?
Okay.
Okay, so after
Let it
putting the
rest.
oil, pumupunta dito sa ano ko dito. So guys, tumutulo. Yan. Ayan. Kaya kumakapal na. Wala. Ramdam ko na, Mandy, it's getting thick. It's getting thicker. So yan, after putting, pagkatapos nyo po ilagay ang oil, konting massage. Siyempre, mas effective yan pagka asawa nyo po ang gumagawa. Or, hey, Mandy! Oh my God, Mandy just fart, guys. What a fart! So, hindi po yan kasama, guys, ng ating promotion. At hindi po tayo further dyan. Kung ano mong product po yan, ay sasabihin na po namin. Kapag kumapal na po ang ating buhok, so, pag kumapal to, itatry po natin ilagay sa mga patilya, sa bigote, sa balbas. At syempre, kung gusto
Play with
nyo...
me, Papa, play.
Ito dito yung section na to.
Dyan. Yan po. Focus muna natin sa hair. Yan.
There.
Can I try doing it? Can I try?
Yan na po. So, binabrush mo na ba, babe? Binabrush mo na.
Na-brush ko na.
Nabrush mo na yun?
Wet.
Hindi lang
Napakabilis.
siya masakit ngayon kasi
Dahil di po ako nag-shampoo ngayon, guys. So, time check. Madaling araw na po. So, kung medyo masipag po kayo, guys, pwede nyo gawin yan. Pero just in my case, tinatamad na po kasi ako. Kaya, ang asawa ko na po ang gumagawa niyan. At baka medyo mas maganda dahil mas kita niya. Yan.
kaluhin.
Hey,
We're
Mandy.
letting it dry.
Hindi.
But you brush it.
The oil is getting in my eyebrow. It might get thicker. So, ayan po. Lahat po ng buhok. Papakapalin po natin. Dito, 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 dito. So, Mandy, this is...
No, I'm not gonna say
what do you call the hair here?
mustache.
Mustache. Oh, in Tagalog, it's...
Mustol.
No. In Tagalog, this one is a bigote.
Bigolya.
Bigote.
Bugolya.
This one is... The hair here is...
Shumusta.
Come on.
I don't know.
It's beard. In Tagalog, it's balbas.
Balbus.
Okay? Ano gawin dito? So, balbas na rin yan, guys. So...
Yan na, oh, tumutubo na, oh.
Tumutubo na.
Kapal na mukha, oh.
So,
Dito kaya lagyan natin.
so dito kung gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng mga parang werewolf. Yeah, werewolf, guys. Yan, werewolf dito. Siya. Para mas malakas po ang dating at may six-pack pa. Yung mako-cover naman ng mga hair. Yan.
Makukover ang tubs.
Mako-cover ang tabs. Sobrang makiliti. Pwede rin dito, guys. Ayan, ayan. Ako na po ang magiging model. So, ito po ang unang gamit pa lang or maybe pangalawa. Actually, pangalawa kasi
Man.
Dati nakakaisa pa lang. So ito pa lang after 2 days. Dapat twice a day po to. So yan. So far dito pa lang. Susunod po natin lahat yan ng buhok. Hanggang sa maging werewolf po tayo. So ayan lang po. Mandy,
Say bye.
which part of your hair would you like to grow?
All of them.
All of... Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna be...
Including here?
Just kidding. Only my hair. Only
You're
my
gonna be
hair.
cool. How about mama?
Only my hair. Only my hair and my eyelashes.
Okay, course. So that's it, guys. So, pasensya na po at medyo busy pa tayo at ngayon lang pa tayo nagka-vlog ngayong 2026 dahil busy pa tayo kay Mandy Paddy. Yan. Subscribe niyo po yan si Mandy Paddy dahil siya po ang future ng Pilipinas.
Go, Dave.
Mandy, you're the future of the
Mandy,
Philippines,
huwag
right?
tayo dumikit. Baka dumating.
So, Mandy here. Happy New Year, guys. Bye-bye. That's it.